Hi Shredder, how are you? Well, this is a size you already know. This is a Dromeda. You see what's inside of it. I showed you a little bit already. Now this is 1/18 scale. You know what the 1/18 scale already is. So, let's jump to 1/12 scale. This one is the Barrage. This is a Gen 2, but you know what the size of it is. So yeah, this is a Barrage Gen 2. And now, for you to see the difference, I guess I'm gonna have to do that. This is the X Max. Now when you take this out, it's a different beast, naturally. See here, you got place for one battery. Then you got the same thing on the other side. The ESC is massive in there. It's like very a big monster. So what I wanted for you to see is the difference between the Barrage, a Dromeda, and a X Max. So, strangely enough, the fastest one of those three is still the smallest one. But the big one is a X Max 8S batteries. And if you're wondering what's the difference in the batteries, well, the battery on the top is the one you use in your Barrage. Me, I use two of those in the X Max. So, yeah, it is big. It is. It's, I don't know how to say this, man. Like, pure madness. This car will destroy your dream and your hope of anything else if it hits you in the leg. That's all I can say for now. The motor is under here, if my memory is good. It's like right buried down here. It's man, that thing rocks. Like I said, see the comparison with the Barrage 112. The X Max is a big bad boy. Bye.